Welcome back, traders. I'm sure you are wondering what is next. Well, let's talk about channels. NAGA Trader refers to it as parallel channels. Just to remind you that to draw a straight line, we need at least 2 points. At times, the trend is confined between 2 parallel lines. So to draw the parallel channel or channel, just select it from the list and then click on a major bottom, then drag it to click to the next higher bottom, and then drag it to the top to click on an intervening top. This is it. Just remember to customize the parallel channel so it will be extended both left and right. Nice and simple. See you soon.